Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best handheld shower head that are available on the market for their true quality. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Starting at number 5, we have the AquaDance high-pressure chrome face handheld shower head. AquaDance hasn't just created our best choice for the best handheld shower head selection, but they've also made our pick of the best value handheld shower head. This chrome face handheld shower head comes with an angle adjustable overhead bracket and an extra flexible reinforced 5 feet stainless steel handheld shower hose. With 6 full water spray settings: power rain, pulsating massage, power mist, rain massage, rain mist, and water saving pause mode, and an easy click lever dial. Switching between the modes is simple. The removable shower head measures 3.5, and the ergonomic grip handle means even those with minimum dexterity should find moving this handheld shower head a breeze. If you have kids, be sure to check out some of these adorable kids shower heads from our list and pick your favorite. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Delta Faucet 7 Spray Handheld Shower Head. Designed to maximize water flow and give you an awesome shower every time, this hand shower by Delta has 7 spray settings: full body, fast massage, full spray with massage, drenching, soft drench with full spray, and soft rain, including a pause feature that's perfect for maintaining water temperature and saving water while you lather up. Featuring intelligent easy-to-clean rubber on the removable shower head itself and anti-clog nozzles, you don't need to worry about dirt or limescale buildup. For the fans of smart home technology, we have prepared our selection of the best smart shower heads, so check them out. At number 3, we have the Yumi High Pressure Handheld Shower Head. Yumi High Pressure Handheld Shower Head is dedicated to ensuring you get the perfect water pressure for your shower no matter how bad your external pipe environment is. With 3 functions: powerful shooting, pulse massage, and mixed, this hand shower comes fully equipped with everything you might need for installation and use, including the handheld shower head itself, an adjustable chrome finished shower bracket, a stainless steel handheld shower hose, also with chrome finish, water flow regulator, 2 extra hose gaskets, and instructions. You may also be interested in some of the best bidets from our list. At number 2, we have the Moen Engage Magnetix 6-function handheld shower. Another best handheld shower head from Moen. This Magnetix 6-function handheld shower also comes with an intelligent magnetic docking system, kink-free metal handheld shower hose, and multiple distinct shower settings to give you the cleaning experience you've been dreaming of. The spot-resistant nickel finish also keeps your bathroom looking star quality as it repels fingerprints, water sports, and other marks. The 6 functions can be controlled with the touch of a button, and the hand shower comes with everything you need for easy installation and use. And finally, at number 1, we have the AquaBliss TheraSpa 6-mode hand shower. AquaBliss TheraSpa 6-mode hand shower is designed to promote relief of aches and pains from every angle, with 6 precision settings, including a water-saving mode to reduce your water consumption by up to 0.80% while you lather. The settings have each been designed with specific needs in mind, and AquaBliss has even considered individuals with SPD, sensory processing disorders, and autism, ensuring there are settings perfect for any sensory seeking or avoiding needs a person or child might have. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.